Yeah, good day guys. So welcome back to the Each Guy YouTube channel. I hope you guys are doing great. In today's tutorial, I won't waste much of our time. And today we are going to be learning how to design how to add Nylon effects into your PicArt. So without wasting much of our time, let's get down to the business of today. So we are going to do Nylon effects. So the app we are going to use is PicArt. So this is the app PicArt. So you can see the app PicArt. So you can get it on Google Play and you can get it on somewhere too. So you can actually get the pro version. Pro version allows you to do many things on this this app. So this is the surface of the PicArt. Then you can see the plus button. So click on the plus button, then it will um show you your image. Just click all photos. So let me look for the photos I want to use. So you can click on the reason, then the reason will bring more photo. So let's assume I want to use image from here. So I'm going to click on it. So after I click on it, you will see tools. So you see crop, free crop, and you see adjust. You see so many things: curves, motion, emotion, perspective, tension, blah blah blah. So you see a lot of it. So we're not going to be using that. You will see effect. We are not going on the effect. So can you see the work of the effect? If you see FX, we are not going on the FX. You will see the B and W, no blur, sketch, sketch. You can see sketch also. You can see color. You can see arithmetic. You can see magic. So the next one we are going to, we are not going to use this one. Come and go. So now just do something like this. Scroll it. So when you scroll it, you will see all. So just scroll it. So when you scroll it, you will see mask. This mask you are staying here. That's why we are using mask. So now the mask. So you click on the mask. When you click on the mask, you will see food, you will see dust, you will see shadow, you see ripple, you will see prism, you will see Oli. A lot. You will see wow, you will see light. There are a lot you can do on this pixel. But today we are going to be using ripple for it for the nylon effect. So you click on one. So can you see? You click on that, can you see? You click on this one, can you see? So there are so many nylon effects you can use for your design here. So can you see? Can you see on that one? So there are absolute many that you can use for your design. So it depends on what you are working on before you can use anyone. So you can't just use some actually you can't just you can't just use it in nylon because you see it's very fine. So you have to use it for the kind of project you are doing. Are you hearing me? So that is it. So we are done. So the next now is just save your work, then you save it to gallery. Please, if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and don't forget to like this video and don't forget to share for other people to see. Thank you. See you soon. Later on.